Hey everyone! Today we're diving into something that's been popping up all over Facebook lately, Spzv Drops. You might have come across these ads promising a breathing energy station, offering natural plant extracts to instantly boost your energy, focus, and even help you lose weight. Sounds a little too good to be true, right? Well, let's dig deeper and see what's really going on here. First, let's talk about the ads themselves. They already raise some suspicion. Multiple Facebook profiles are pushing identical ads, each making bold promises about improved breathing, mental clarity, increased performance, and rapid weight loss without providing a shred of proof or scientific evidence. Even more suspicious, these ads aren't being run by official business pages or verified companies. Instead, they're coming from random personal profiles. These profiles don't have any real connection to the Spzv brand, another big red flag. So naturally, I clicked one of these ads to investigate further. It takes you straight to a site called Spzv.com, where the claims get even more exaggerated. They promise huge bonuses, like gifts worth $150 for the first 100 daily buyers, and boldly declare their product is FDA approved. But here's the catch. That's a complete lie. There's no FDA approval for this product at all. The site itself is pretty shady too. Every single piece of text is presented as an image, meaning you can't select or copy anything. That's a common trick scammers use to stop people, or even search engines, from easily checking their claims. Now things get even stranger. After taking a closer look at the Spzv.com website, I noticed something interesting. Their own description of Spzv Drops accidentally mentions ARK Drops. If that name sounds familiar, it's because ARK Drops were heavily marketed on TikTok a while back. It turns out the bottles, labels, and descriptions for Spzv Drops and ARK Drops are completely identical, just with different logos slapped on. It looks like someone is just recycling the same scam under a new name. And what about customer reviews? Well, Spzv Drops claims on their website to have received over 23,000 five-star reviews, but there's no link or proof anywhere, just empty words. When I checked Trustpilot, Spzv Drops has absolutely zero reviews listed, but let's see what customers have said about ARK Drops, their original version. On Trustpilot, ARK Drops has a miserable 2-star rating, and more than half the reviews give them just 1 star. Customers complain about everything from getting scammed, receiving fewer bottles than ordered, or dealing with horrible customer service, to the drops simply being overpriced mint-flavored oil that does absolutely nothing. Amazon reviews confirm the same. People repeatedly call it useless, minty sugar water, or a total waste of money. Finally, let's peek behind the curtain at the domain information for Spzv.com. Unsurprisingly, the website was registered recently in May 2024, and the owner's identity is completely hidden behind privacy protection. Legitimate businesses usually don't need to hide who they are. They want transparency. All right, what's our final verdict? Everything we uncovered today makes it clear Spzv Drops, like ARK Drops before them, is just another scam. From fake FDA approvals and shady marketing tactics to hidden ownership and overwhelmingly negative real customer feedback, there's nothing trustworthy here. My advice? Stay far away from these drops. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there, avoid scams, and I'll catch you in the next video.